Emily had been thinking about the DJI Pocket 3 for a while. She finally ordered one. When it arrived, she set the box on her table in front of her and opened it carefully. She peeled back the plastic and found the camera packed inside a small foam tray. She lifted it out and held it in her hand. It was much smaller than she had imagined. The entire camera sat in the palm of her hand. She turned it slowly, looking at it from every angle. It was hard to believe something so compact could do so much. She wanted to use it to share videos online, short clips of her daily life sent to friends and family back home. She had plenty of ideas already. The question was where to begin. She turned the camera on and explored the menu. There were far more settings than she had expected. Most of the options were unfamiliar. She wasn't sure what to change or what to leave alone. She picked up her iPad and opened YouTube. There had to be helpful videos somewhere. She found dozens of videos about the DJI Pocket 3 and started with the first one. The presenter walked through their recommended settings with confidence. It seemed useful at first, but the next video gave completely different advice. That creator had a different approach entirely. She kept watching. A third video, then a fourth. Each one had its own opinion. Some creators preferred one particular mode. Others said that choice was wrong. By the time she had watched 5 or 6 videos, she was more confused than when she started. The more she watched, the more conflicting advice she collected. Nothing was helping. She put her iPad down. She looked at the camera sitting on the table. There was something almost funny about it. She had spent over an hour trying to understand a device smaller than her juice glass. Then something occurred to her. The only way to figure out what worked for her was to go outside and actually use the camera. She picked up the camera and turned it on. The small screen glowed softly. She scrolled to a setting that seemed reasonable enough. It would do for today. She put on her shoes and picked up her bag. She opened the front door. The afternoon light was perfect. She stepped out with the camera held loosely in her hand. She still didn't know which settings were right, but she had the whole afternoon ahead of her. Her first video was about to begin.